Hi guys, Spider-Man also known as the welcome back to another review video. Well, it's time for me to continue with some documentary videos because I am exhausted right now. I've been working out there almost all day today, shoveling snow, and my day's not even over yet. I got more shoveling and jobs coming my way. And so the rest of the day is over. But right now, though, here's another documentary video, guys. And this cat is called Snowstormer. However, this is not the first color. The first color is actually part of the Jungle series in green. This one is part of the 8th Snowstormer series back in 2016, a year after the first color was made. And right now, Snowstormer is designed, and for one thing, to glide or move through the snow without getting stuck. That's what these vehicles are designed to do. This is one that has a name, Hoverstorm. And these vehicles are designed to hover as well. This is very true. Now, show you guys around. Now, in the front, so yeah, we have a lot of decals all over the this front. We have orange, light blue, and silver, and all lights. And we have one window piece over here, but it does not have any two at all in this one. That's very unfortunate over here, though. But we do have two little turbines over here, and that's where the propellers go. In the backside, as you can see right here, yeah, there's a propeller inside. It helps make it go out here. But it does have a secondary engine, or primary engine to be exact. And it's all chrome, like you see right here. Now, this part over here is all rubber. Over here. Which is very true, because hover vehicles were designed for that. But it can be driven on the road. As well, which has been very true there. Because hover vehicles are amphibious vehicles. That means they can go on land and water. And here's the wheels, of course. So there are 5 spokes, but they're also painted black. Oh no, Hoverstorm is something else there. Hopefully one of these days I will get the original and do a video on that. Well, you guys, that's a wrap for this one. So I got another racing video in a half hour from now before I go back out there. I do have another job at 4 p.m. Alright guys, see you next one.